Hey now, LaBarber Music here, and today I am teaching you about Fame by David Bowie. Fame! It's so fun, and it's really not super complicated. So you're going to have a great time playing along to this one in no time, if I do my job well and explain it. Before I zoom in and show you the parts, I would like to encourage you, if you haven't already, to please subscribe to my channel. If you already have, thank you so much. I genuinely appreciate people watching and enjoying all the hard work that I put into making these videos and showing you how to play the bass. So let's zoom in and I'll show you how to play this awesome tune. So first there's the intro part. This only happens I think twice in the song. And it's pretty brief, but I'll go through the notes with you. It starts on the first fret of your E string, which if you're keeping score is the note F. And then it goes up to the third fret of the A, which is a C. And then we go to the first fret of the A string, which is B flat. So, 1, 2, 3, B flat, and then it's going to kind of hang on this B flat. Right? We're just playing, a couple extra notes. So F, C, B flat, do 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 do, and then you hear the whole band kick in. When the band kicks in, we are going to the first fret on the E string. Okay, and that is, this song is mostly one note, maybe two, but it's like the funkiest note. Or just the way they play it is so funky, right? So really, it's all centered around this note, which is F. You're going to hear some variations of me playing rhythms on that note, okay? But the majority of the tune, you can get away with just playing. Right? Even that little variation sounded cool. Did you hear I just added one extra one? There's a couple of different variations. Sometimes they'll go F, and then briefly they'll play this open E for a second, and then play that F again. So it's like 1, 0, 1. Fame. So I'll show you kind of what I'm doing with my right hand, okay? Because that's where the rhythm is. Now remember, just assume I'm playing that first fret on the E string, okay? Now you don't have to do the tap. I do that to keep the rhythm, but it's not really in there. See those variations? That's the stuff that makes the tune funky. And then there's another part where it goes down to the 13th fret of the E string and does a quick slide back to the 1. Okay? Sorry if that made you seasick. Okay? That is sometimes just thrown in between the riffs, right? So okay? It's as simple as that. It's just that easy. Now there's another spot in the tune where they play more than that simple rhythm. Boom, 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 right? Again, it's all the note F, but you hear the drums and the bass kind of hit at the same time. You hear that rhythm? Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Right? That's the only difference, is that rhythm. Ba-dum, bum, 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 bum. Right? And then you can do your little... Oh, that was a sloppy slide, but you get the idea, okay? And then there's really only one other part. They go through the verse, they'll do the, you know, thing. Right? They do that 4 times, right? And then it would go to the 6th fret on your E string, which again is a B flat. You could play it here, but I play it up here just so it's easier to get to this secondary riff. Same note. So I go to this B flat, same rhythm, boom, boom, boom. But then there's this cool little riff where they go 8 on the D string, which is the octave. So, and then we go down to 8 on the A string, and then 6 on the E. So it's real fast. I'll do it slow. So really they play that B flat 3 times. Boom, boom, boom. And then back to that F. Now those are all the pieces, okay? Which is great news. And if you play all those pieces, the order really, like, it starts with that intro. And then that riff, the basic riff, and then the extra notes. Boom, 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 boom. Right? And then they'll start doing the singing. Fame. And that gives you room to throw in your fancy stuff like the slides. And then after 4 of those, that's when it goes up to the B flat. Right? And back to that F again. Later on in the song, you hear when they go through that cycle, they'll go back to the da, 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 right? That little intro part again. And then it starts all over. You know, you bring in the regular riff, the extra note funky riff, and then the B flat, and then that's pretty much the whole thing. Thanks again so much for watching, everybody. Have fun playing along to this song. And again, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. If you already have, I really appreciate you. And, you know, check out MattLaBarbermusic.com, see what I got coming up. There should be another video popping up any second now. Check that out as well. You know, leave me some positive feedback in the comments, like the video, share it with your friends. Any of that stuff really, really helps me. I'm happy to help you, and that will help me to continue to do so. So again, thank you so much. Have fun playing this one. Happy bassin', and I will see you in the future.